Well, good morning everybody, and welcome to the AutoVlog YouTube channel. Today is the day where we finally go and pick up the truck. And yeah, I don't have much more else to say. I'm not gonna waste any time. Let's jump in the Benz. Go to Auto Illusions. Yep, I'm at the usual spot. So it's always kind of nervous when you're going to pick up your car that's just had a massive, modification, massive makeover, I guess you could say. Because, you have that vision in your head and, with the wheels and the lift and all that stuff. It was the same when I picked up this car, although it was lowered and had new wheels. I had visualized what the car was going to look like. I knew the wheels were going to look very aggressive on this car, but I hadn't seen it in real life, and when I saw it in real life, it was better than I could imagine. So with the truck now, of course, I've kind of visualized that as well, what it's going to look like with the wheels and so on, but it still makes you a little bit nervous. Like, what if it doesn't really look that way? What if, what if I don't really like it? But hopefully that won't be the case, because here in a few minutes, we will indeed find out for ourselves. All right, we're almost there. Man, I'm nervous. Okay, my truck is not parked up front. Probably still working on it a little bit, which is okay. What are you honking at? Oh wait, I see something. I see something. Oh shit. Ha ha! You guys see that? Oh my god. There's no parking spaces here. I'm just gonna park right here. Alright, are you guys ready? I mean, damn! Alright, we're not wasting any time. Check this out. Wow. Look at that stance. What? Dude, this looks sick. They don't have the center caps on yet. You can see that. They're not quite done yet, but damn, this looks good. Man, look at this. What? Wow, this looks so damn good. I mean, what do you guys think? Okay, like I said on the way here, this is better than I had imagined it. It is freaking awesome. Look at the stance of my damn truck. Yeah, they do stick out, they do. But it's just perfect. Borderline legal. This is sick. Whoa. All right, let me go ahead and talk to the guys here, and then we'll be right back out and we'll talk more about the lift and everything. Oh God, that looks so good. All right, so quick status update here. We are actually waiting on new lug nuts because they stick out just too much to get the center cap on. That's why there's no caps on any of these wheels. So we're just gonna get some other lug nuts on there. And then, as you guys can see from this footage right here, and this is very common when it comes to, lifting trucks, putting bigger tires on and everything like that, is that you might have to do some trimming here, because when you do a full turn, the tire can either hit this fender liner here and even some of this metal right here. Now keep in mind that this bumper, this will be gone. So this whole splash guard slash front lip spoiler, this thing is being removed. So I don't care how much they cut there. None of my concern whatsoever. Excuse the noise from Bill in the background here, but we are at a mechanic's shop, so Now the other thing, I actually forgot about this, but I ordered vent shades as well, so they put those on. And yeah, this is amazing. I am so happy with how this truck came out, even with the center caps not even being on. So let's talk about this lift here. Some people might not even call it a lift. I do. I mean, it's this massive difference in the stance of the truck, of course, but it's a 3.5-inch lift. It's a ready lift, so more or less a leveling kit, the highest leveling kit that you can get. So that's what I chose to do. I didn't want to go 6-inch right away. I just wanted to get it up a little bit and get the stance that I had visualized in my mind already with 20x12s on there. And of course, they do stick out. I knew that they would. I wanted them to do that, but I didn't want it to be completely obnoxious. So yeah, 2 inches is the legal limit. This is probably, yeah, leave your suggestions in the comments below, but I'm guessing 2.5 to 3 inches. But hey, it's all for the look, man. It looks freaking awesome. All we need now is, which we're doing tomorrow, by the way, and that is wrapping the rear bumper. We need a new front bumper. Still waiting for that. It's supposed to come yesterday. Still not here, but it is what it is. Truck still looks badass. This thing is dope. I mean, wow. I love it. I can't wait till my wife sees this truck. She's gonna be she's gonna be so jealous. Yeah, babe, the truck looks, I mean, it looks so awesome.
Is it nicer than the Raptor now?
I mean, you're gonna be jealous.
Oh, serious?
But I'm not gonna send you a picture until I get home, though. You're gonna have to wait.
Honey, that's not fair. Come on, just send me a picture of the wheels.
Well, the caps aren't on there yet, but just it's just like the whole stance of the truck with the wheels, and it's so dope.
Come on, babe. Just send me a picture of, like, from the side. Real quick.
No, you're gonna have to wait till I come home. I want to see your reaction when I come home.
You're not gonna film me. I'm hid. You're not gonna film me.
Yeah, I am. You're gonna have to get a little unhid.
No, I'm not, honey. Sydney will have to do her reaction. I don't want
All right,
to.
okay.
Okay? Can you send it, please? Okay, bye.
Bye. I'm not sending anything. All right, so finally we got the new lug bolts on there. Everything is torqued down. We got the center caps on there. We got all the trimming done. I have clearance. Let's go. Oh yeah, buddy. Yes. God, that looks so good. Look at that beefy. Oh yeah. Oh, I love it. Look how flush that tire and the wheel is. But you know, obviously not as much protection for the actual wheel, but I mean the setup is just, in my opinion, it's perfect. Damn, this looks good. So what I'm gonna do now is drive it home, show the family, wife and Sydney, and then we're gonna have to all get in the truck so I can go pick the Benz up, and then my wife's gonna drive it home so I can get some cool rollers. Here we go. All right, our maiden voyage, and except for obviously noticing that you're sitting higher, it's not really that much of a difference in the ride. These Nitto Ridge Grapplers are awesome tires, and the reason why I bought them is because you don't get that massive off-road tire road noise while you're driving. I mean, it feels awesome. Almost at the house here. It's gonna be very interesting to see my wife and Sydney's reaction if my wife takes her butt outside. Sydney, come here. What do you think? That's sick, huh? Those wheels are almost as tall as you. Isn't that cool? What do you think?
I like it. What?
You think it looks cool?
Yeah. So it got higher. I can see it got higher.
Yeah, it got higher. It's got big wide wheels on it.
But,
Oh my God, those things like really stick out.
Come down here. Come down here. All right, so what grade do you give it? Do you like it better than the Raptor? Yes or no?
I give it. Which one do I like better?
You like this one better now? Yeah, me too. So I'm gonna go inside and try to get my wife out here.
Oh my God. Look at those wheels, babe.
It's higher now. Might have to get some Fender Flares. It does stick out. I like it though, but it's already like spitting things up on the paint. And I knew that was gonna happen because of you know, the wider tires and everything. You see here, I don't mind it all that much though, but if I start getting pulled over all the time, I'll have to go get some Fender Flares to make it look better. I know, they're vent shades. Yeah, the vent shades look awesome. Yay!
Man, this truck looks badass.
I know, it's dope, huh?
Look at that shit.
I know, it's
You love
sick.
it.
Oh, I love it.
So do I.
It's awesome. Yeah, but look at the stance of the truck from up front. It's sick.
You know what? I can't decide. I mean, like, that versus the Raptor.
All right, here we got the F-150. Here's the Raptor. Better doing it this way. So here's the Raptor. Here's the F-150. I love it. It's awesome. All right, so we just picked up the Benz. Wifey's driving driving the truck for the first time. She's scared to death. Man, that thing looks so mean. Look at that thing. That thing is obnoxious. What do you think of driving it, honey?
It's loud. It's big. It's hot. Sydney's like, Mom, are the police gonna get us? They're gonna get us.
Police not gonna get you, honey. And we are finally back home. All the cars are back in the stable. F-150 right here, Raptor right there, and the AMG right there. Man, what a day this has been. I am so happy. I literally took delivery of my dream truck. I love the way that this truck looks. I mean, I just think it's awesome. I know that there's going to be mixed emotions and opinions regarding the way the truck looks. I understand that because it is a pretty aggressive setup with the wheels. And you know, not everyone is going to feel the same way. But you know, I've gotten a lot of questions. So I figured I'd cover that here in the end here regarding, you know, recalibration of transmissions and speedometers and stuff like that. These are 33-inch tires. The diameter with the stock setup was 32.1 inches with the 18-inch wheels and the tires, because now we get more wheel, less tire, and with the stock setup it was the other way around. So I actually don't really have to worry about that much because the difference isn't that big. It's just that the truck is a little higher now and the wheels are of course a lot wider. Just look at the truck versus the Raptor. Almost looks a little tame now. But you know, the Raptor in its own regard is just beefy and awesome looking. Love this truck as well, but that is definitely my new baby. So the main things we really have left now is the rear bumper, which is being taken care of tomorrow. And then finally, at some point this year, hopefully my front bumper arrives. I gotta look into that and see what's going on. This truck has transformed in a short period of time. I've said it in many videos. I didn't think that the build was gonna come along this quickly, but I'm just so happy with the result so far, at least. But with all that being said, I think we're gonna end the video for today. I'm actually kind of exhausted. It's been very exciting. I got a lot of editing to do because I need to get this video up for you guys. And like I've mentioned already, tomorrow is its first road trip. Right away I go to InChain Designs to take care of that rear bumper. So that's going to be interesting as well to see how it actually rides on the road. Fuel economy and such. But that's going to do it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy the build so far and the end result for where we're at currently. So if you're stopping by this channel for the first time and you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe. There's a lot more content coming your way. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.